Filing an insurance claim can be a difficult and emotional time in your life because it is when you've actually suffered a loss.
We never want our clients to have to file claims, but we understand that this is what the insurance is for.
Your insurance agent is here to assist you through that process to make sure that you're handling things properly.
Reach out to us. Let us know what's going on. We are here to guide you in the right direction.
There are exclusions and responsibilities on the insured that are required. So you have to make sure that you mitigate the property, that there's no additional damages that take place.
Hurricane comes, there's water that's leaking through your roof. Reach out to a roofing contractor, get the roof tarped. We're here to guide you in the right direction. We want to make sure that we're going through all the correct steps. We're not overlooking anything.
You want to make sure that you bring your adjuster out to the property as soon as possible. That way they can decide or determine what caused the claim, what the insurance carrier is and is not going to cover, and move forward from there.
There are certain situations where it could take a little bit more time than anticipated. A good example of that is when a hurricane comes. We have thousands upon thousands of clients that are filing claims just from our agency. Think of other agencies as well. And there's limited manpower. So take photos of damage. So then that's a reference that you can use when you communicate with the adjuster.
If you are involved in an auto accident, you're going to want to contact the authorities.
Always get a police report. That is crucial to any type of auto claim. It's date and time. It also clarifies who's at fault. That helps the insurance carrier determine whether they're going to be responsible to pay said claim or not.
Never admit fault.
In an auto accident, if you're not at fault, you obtain the person that's at fault, their insurance information, and you call their insurance company to file the claim on their insurance because they're at fault. And of course, if you need to seek medical attention, seek that medical attention.
And then contact your insurance carriers and decide what's the best way to proceed with your claim. When it comes to flooding, there are technically two different types that people generally put together. One is going to be your actual rising tidal water, which is going to come from the river, the ocean, any type of waterbed that surrounds the property. And then the second is going to be if your main water lines break. So if your water heater busts, if you have a toilet overflow, something of that nature. Some people consider that flooding, but they're not. They're different. The second one, where you have a main water line break inside your property, is going to be covered by your homeowner's carrier. And then the flooding, which is going to be that rising tidal water, is going to need to be covered by a flood policy, which comes from the National Flood Insurance Program. Just remember, it is important when filing a claim to only provide the pertinent information. Allow your adjuster to decide when, what, why, how, and where when it comes to the claim.
When there's a claim and you just are seeking guidance whether or not to file the claim, that's something that you could reach out to us and we're going to guide you in the right direction. There are certain situations where it's best to call the carrier directly, where it's on a weekend, after hours, where our office is closed.
Feel confident in contacting your insurance agent if you need help guided through the process.
As an independent agency here at Wells Insurance, we're always going to advocate for our clients and guide our clients in the right direction.
We are always here for you, so feel confident in contacting Wells Insurance if you need any help being guided through the process.